Welcome to Foxify tutorial by FoxEcom. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to speed up your workflow and build your Shopify pages faster using pre-designed sections. Instead of starting from scratch, we'll show you how to add ready-made sections in just a few clicks, helping you save time, stay consistent, and launch pages with ease. Let's jump right in. Pre-designed sections are built to help you work faster, not slower. Instead of designing layouts from scratch or rebuilding the same sections again and again, you can reuse proven layouts and focus on your content. This makes it easy to launch new pages, run promotions, and update multiple pages quickly. At the same time, reusing the same section styles keeps your store consistent and professional across all pages, with fewer design decisions and faster page creation overall. Inside the Foxify editor, click the Designed Sections button to open the section library. You can also press the S key or click Add Designed Sections from the left-hand toolbar. Here, Foxify provides a wide range of pre-designed sections for common store needs, including hero sections, slideshows, image with text layouts, rich text, product specs, newsletters, banners, and more. Each section is fully designed with layout, spacing, and structure already in place, so there's no need to build everything manually. Now, choose a section that fits your page goal. Simply drag and drop the section onto your page. You'll notice the section appears instantly, already structured and styled, no setup required. This saves you time compared to building layouts from scratch or relying on multiple third-party apps. Once the section is added, click on it to open the settings panel on the right. From here, you can easily edit text and headings, replace images, update buttons and links, and adjust spacing, alignment, and colors. All changes are applied in real time, so you can see exactly how your page will look. Next, let's check mobile responsiveness. Use the device preview toggle at the top of the editor to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Every Foxify pre-designed section is fully responsive by default, ensuring your store looks great on all screen sizes without extra adjustments. And that's it. You've just seen how pre-designed sections in Foxify Page Builder help you speed up your workflow and build Shopify pages faster. With ready-made layouts and easy customization, you can spend less time building and more time growing your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a topic you'd like us to cover next? Leave a comment, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.